Today, we're building a $40 emergency shelf, 15 everyday items that could save your life when disaster strikes. These are practical, affordable essentials that anyone can gather no matter your budget or experience. Forget expensive gear and high-tech gadgets. You just need practical things from any grocery or dollar store. You don't have to be a survival expert or spend hours researching. Most of these items are right under your nose, hiding in plain sight on store shelves. I'll show you how to fit all 15 on a single closet shelf for about $40. It's all about smart choices and making the most of what you already have, plus a few clever additions. These aren't gimmicks or fancy tools. They're items you probably already own, but may not realize their true value in a crisis. Things like flashlights, batteries, bottled water, and even basic first aid supplies can make a world of difference when the unexpected happens. Whether it's a sudden blackout, a powerful storm, or a supply chain hiccup that leaves store shelves empty, you'll be ready for anything. Emergencies can happen to anyone, anywhere, and being prepared doesn't have to be complicated or expensive. Let's build the ultimate low-budget emergency kit, one smart choice at a time. I'll walk you through each item, explain why it matters, and show you how to organize everything so it's easy to grab when you need it most. Ready to get prepared without breaking the bank? Let's dive in and discover how a little planning today can give you peace of mind tomorrow. First up, let's talk about Unscented Bleach, the king of emergency versatility, and truly the Swiss Army knife of crisis situations. This humble bottle is often overlooked, but it's one of the most powerful tools you can have on hand when things go sideways. For under $4, you get a product that can purify water, disinfect surfaces, sanitize tools, and even keep makeshift bathrooms safe and hygienic. In emergencies, clean water and sanitation are critical, and Bleach steps up to both challenges. Just a few drops per gallon, about 8 drops for clear water, or up to 16 for cloudy, can make questionable water safe to drink by killing most bacteria and viruses. It's a simple, reliable method that's been used for decades in disaster zones and by survival experts. Hospitals and disaster relief teams rely on Bleach for a reason. It's that effective. Its ability to destroy germs, viruses, and mold makes it a frontline defense in outbreaks and after natural disasters, when sanitation is a top priority. But here's the key. Make sure you're using plain, unscented bleach. Avoid gels, splashless formulas, or anything with added fragrances or thickeners, as these can be unsafe for water purification and less effective for cleaning. Bleach does lose potency over time, so it's important to rotate your supply at least once a year. Check expiration dates and keep your emergency stash fresh, so you're never caught off guard when you need it most. For just a couple bucks, you're getting water purification, powerful cleaning, and infection control all in one bottle. It's lightweight, easy to store, and endlessly useful in a crisis. That's why unscented bleach is always the very first thing on my emergency shelf, because when disaster strikes, you want the most reliable, multi-purpose tool within arm's reach. Next, contractor-grade trash bags, thick, tough, and endlessly useful. They're waterproof, strong, and can double as ponchos, emergency shelters, or window covers. Line a bucket for an emergency toilet, or use them to collect rainwater. They're perfect for sanitation, storage, and even keeping things dry. One box will last through countless scenarios. For the price, they're a must-have prep. Keep a box handy. You'll be surprised how often you reach for them. Simple, cheap, and incredibly effective. Here's a survival hack you might not expect. Petroleum jelly and cotton balls. 2 everyday items you probably already have in your medicine cabinet or bathroom drawer. While they seem ordinary, together they can be a real lifesaver in the wild or during emergencies at home. To make your own fire starters, simply coat a handful of cotton balls thoroughly with petroleum jelly. The jelly acts as a fuel, soaking into the fibers of the cotton. Once you've coated them, stash the prepared cotton balls in a zip-top bag or small container to keep them dry and ready for use whenever you need them. When it's time to start a fire, just pull one out and ignite it with a match or lighter. These homemade fire starters burn hot and steady for several minutes, giving you plenty of time to get your kindling going, even if the wood is damp or the weather is less than ideal. In a survival situation, fire is more than just comfort. It's essential. It means warmth on a cold night, a way to cook food, boil water, and even signal for help. A reliable fire starter can make all the difference when you need it most. Plus, both petroleum jelly and cotton balls have first aid uses. Petroleum jelly soothes dry or cracked skin, and cotton balls are perfect for cleaning wounds or applying ointments. They're versatile supplies that earn their place in any emergency kit. Making a batch of these fire starters takes just a few minutes and costs only pennies. You can prepare several at once and store them for months, ensuring you're always ready for the unexpected. Toss a handful into your emergency kit, backpack, or glove compartment. For such a tiny investment of time and money, you get a huge payoff in peace of mind and preparedness. Don't overlook this simple, effective fire solution. Sometimes the best survival tools are already sitting on your shelf. Salt is a survival classic. Cheap, stores forever, and endlessly useful. It preserves food when the fridge is out, cures meat, and makes bland rations edible. Salt helps your body function, especially if you're sweating or drinking purified water. It's handy for first aid. Think saltwater rinses for wounds or sore throats. Even cleaning and scrubbing are easier with salt. One container costs less than $1 and lasts ages. Armies and explorers have always carried salt for a reason. It's cheap insurance for your emergency shelf. 70% rubbing alcohol is a disinfectant powerhouse. It's better than stronger versions for killing germs, perfect for wounds, surfaces, and even medical tools. It can start fires, clean sticky messes, and cool you down in a pinch. Mix with aloe for homemade hand sanitizer. For just a couple bucks, it's a versatile must-have. Grab the 70% variety for your kit. Duct tape is legendary for a reason. It fixes almost anything. Broken window, leaky pipe, torn gear. Duct tape has you covered. In first aid, it can secure bandages or splint a finger, seal containers, patch tents, or twist it into rope for cordage. It's a compact roll that solves dozens of problems. If you don't have duct tape, you're missing out on the best all-purpose emergency tool. One roll fits on your shelf and lasts through countless fixes. Don't leave home without it. Baking soda is a tiny box with huge potential. Clean dishes, counters, even teeth. It's a gentle abrasive. Sprinkle on spills to absorb odors, or use for first aid on bites and sunburns. Out of toothpaste? Baking soda works in a pinch. It can put out small grease fires and help food rise or tenderize meat. For $1 or $2, you get a whole toolkit. Keep a box on your emergency shelf for cleaning, first aid, and more. Simple, cheap, and endlessly useful. Aluminum foil is a survival superstar. Cook food, boil water, or keep leftovers safe. Foil does it all. Use it to reflect heat, signal for help, or insulate a small area. Fashion it into a cup, funnel, or fishing lure in a pinch. Lightweight, compact, and just a couple bucks. One roll can handle dozens of emergencies. When the power's out, a manual can opener is your key to food. It never needs batteries and works on any can. Some models even open bottles or cut thin metal for repairs. Cheap, reliable, and pocket-sized. Don't rely on electric gadgets. It's not just for food. Think tools and repairs too. Always have one in your kit. It's the simplest way to unlock your pantry in a crisis. Candles are classic emergency gear. No batteries, just reliable light. They make a dark room feel safe and can even add a bit of warmth. Heat up soup or boil water slowly if needed. Use candles for signaling or lighting your way at night. Cheap, long-lasting, and easy to store. Keep a few in your kit. You'll never be left in the dark. Matches and lighters are essential. No fire starters work without them. Compact, cheap, and easy to stash anywhere. Matches come waterproof. Lighters can spark hundreds of fires. I recommend having both for backup. Fire means warmth, food, water, and signaling. Toss a couple packs and a lighter or two in your kit. It's cheap insurance you'll be glad to have. Zip-top bags are organizational lifesavers. Keep matches and documents dry, store food, or organize first aid supplies. Their waterproof seal is crucial in rain or flooding. Use them to ration food, protect electronics, or collect rainwater. For a few bucks, you get a pack of problem solvers. Don't overlook these simple bags. They're a smart addition to any emergency shelf. Multivitamins help fill nutritional gaps when food is scarce. They're not a replacement for real food, but they keep your immune system strong. One bottle lasts months and takes up almost no space, especially useful if you're eating mostly canned or packaged foods. Lightweight, compact, and long-lasting. Toss a bottle on your shelf for nutrition insurance. Bar soap is basic but vital. Clean hands mean fewer germs, it's compact, lasts forever, and works for hands, wounds, dishes, and clothes. No leaks, no pumps, just a bar and some water. One bar can last a family for weeks. Good hygiene prevents illness and makes everything easier. For a buck or two, it's a no-brainer for your emergency shelf. Canned food is the backbone of any emergency supply. Non-perishable, ready to eat and available everywhere. Beans, soup, meat, fruit, get a mix for calories, protein, and variety. Cans are tough, pest-proof, and don't need refrigeration. Rotate your stock yearly, for freshness. For a few dollars, canned food is peace of mind in a can. It's the simplest way to make sure you can eat no matter what. There you have it, 15 everyday items, affordable and practical, that could make all the difference when it matters most.